Hi there. We've made a number of improvements and important changes to how the inbox, routing, and handovers from journeys to operators work. Let's start with the most important change. If you have routing enabled, routing is a feature that automatically distributes conversations amongst your team. Moving forward, only conversations that go through the route to operator block are routed automatically. If you don't have it yet, you should add it to your journeys in the point where you want the conversation to get routed to an operator. This is very important. Now, let's go through the improvements. First, we made it easier for you to find people who need help. To do that, we've introduced two new settings to the inbox: waiting for help, which is where people who are still waiting for help are going to appear, and being helped, people who are already being helped by your team. But how do you mark someone as actually needing help? Again, to do that, you just use the route to operator block. As soon as someone goes through this block, they would automatically appear in the corresponding collection here on the inbox. Let me show you an example. I'm going to message this number, hi, and you can see I still don't need help. I'm on the main menu. I just appear on all chats. But now I'm going to select I want to speak with a person. And if you were paying attention earlier, you can see that this journey here, when I go through the speak to a person flow, I actually go through a route to operator block. So now if I go back to my inbox, you can see that I'm marked as waiting for help because I haven't been assigned to someone. I'm still waiting to get help. And now I'm going to send this to myself as an operator. And you can see that I disappeared from the waiting for help collection and I'm now in the being helped collection. This also allows your managers and your teammates to see exactly what's going on in the system at all times. And now I'm done with helping and I'm going to close this conversation and resume the bot. And you can see that I disappeared. So this is an example of a full workflow with the waiting for help and being helped. Now let me show you some other improvements. We're giving you the option to pause journeys automatically after people are routed to an operator. This way, users don't accidentally activate an automated response when they're speaking with a person. In case your team hasn't been able to help this person, we'll automatically restart the journey after a specified time you can configure, 60 minutes by default. And this prevents users from getting stuck waiting for help in case your team has high load. Another improvement that we made is that we're giving you the option to automatically close all conversations that don't need help after people are done. This keeps your inbox clean and tidy and makes it much easier for you to find people who do need help. These improvements make it so much easier for you to find people who need help and to provide a great support experience. Reach out to us if you need any help.